2, 3.
Hey guys!
So we're back with another video today, and today's gonna be a little different, but I'm here with my nieces and nephew with...
I'm Isabel, your girl Annie.
My name is Big Sexy. My name is Jacqueline, you know me.
So we're gonna do something a little different. Arlene, can you explain to us what we're doing today?
We're gonna be doing the black bean noodle mukbang, which is like, yeah.
Which is a black bean noodle.
Yeah, pretty much ramen.
We've never tried this before, so we wanted to try something new. Have you guys tried the black bean?
No.
No? What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's gonna taste like frijoles negros?
Yeah. No.
Yes. I mean
No.
the sauce.
Yeah, you know what? The only thing is, Big Sexy over here doesn't like beans.
I just love the girl too. It doesn't
And
like
this-
black bean.
Oh, I don't red.
So yeah, so we're gonna get it going. We have water boiling up. We're just waiting for that to boil. Please excuse that. That's for dinner later. And yeah, so we'll be back once we get it going. Peace.
Peace.
Okay, so we kind of already started. I forgot to record. Yeah, I added it.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna do this.
Okay, go. So we added everything. It's already boiling. Great. Where does it go? It's not an ASMR. Guys know what ASMR means? If you guys watch mukbangs, you guys know what that is.
Some in here.
Okay, now Chabela, you add the
Oh yeah, totally forgot
oils.
these. I want to know these.
Okay, hold on. Be careful when you open it.
Yeah, but didn't she put like the sauce?
It's not the original jam jam jam.
Yeah.
What?
It's not the what?
The original jam jam jam. It's not the original jam jam jam.
Say that again?
It's not the original jam jam jam.
Is it like jam 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 or like jam
Yum yum yum.
The original jam
Oh, like yum yum yum.
All right, guys, we'll be back once we actually start the mukbang. Did you guys notice like people say it differently? Some people say mukbang, but I actually mukbang. Yeah, I've googled it. I went to Google Translate, and that's what it said.
I live for those.
All right, guys, we'll be back when we actually start the mukbang. Peace. Okay, ready?
No te secreto.
You're gonna make me laugh. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys! Isabel, you did it the wrong way.
Oh, take 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys!
Okay, so show your food.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, so everybody grab
Peace.
your piece that you're gonna eat.
I'm gonna grab a little because I don't like it.
Don't try it until everybody's ready, okay?
There is.
Wait, I wanna smell it.
Oh god.
Honestly, it doesn't smell like
It smells
It's
frijoles.
like when you're making rice.
It looks like regular ramen. You know,
Yeah,
like
it doesn't
that.
smell like frijoles.
Ready, 3,
Oh shit, wait.
Oh, no, she got the sauce actually got 3.
Ready? 1.
2.
Wait, Arlene, 1, 2, 3.
It's just weird.
It don't taste like shit. It don't taste like anything, huh?
It's not bad.
Dude, it's not a challenge.
It's not bad. Julian, that was the
All right,
The first thing we did.
Isabel, starting with you. What's your description? Oh, hold up. We forgot to show. We got some sushi.
Hold on. California.
Well, this is not really sushi. This is just regular rolls. Okay, sorry, Isabel. Your description.
What?
Wait.
All right, what's
So
your...
like the noodles are soft. They're not hard or anything. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really do like the noodles. Something different.
Yeah.
You can't really like taste the flavor.
Okay.
But what does
I
it
mean,
taste
it's
like
not
to you?
bad. I don't even
I think
know.
it
They
needs
have-
something.
No, you know what it is?
I think it is more like
Not chicken, like-
almost a sauce.
The sauce is so you need some spiciness to it.
Yeah.
I think
It's
mild.
missing
That's not
something.
bad.
What do you think? You like it? What does it taste like?
Not frijoles.
Noodles.
Like noodles?
I mean, it tastes like weird, and it just tastes like nothing to me. Like I can like finish this as if it wasn't happening.
You want to taste it, George? No?
Not sushi?
Mira que come.
Julian, it's not a challenge. He's like really into it.
So, if you really thought he wasn't gonna like it, remember?
Yeah. Then you can sit there.
Oh, yeah.
So,
I like it.
That's alright.
yeah.
I need your
It's
hair.
not the best.
Yeah, that's
Good.
like that?
No, I
I
like
didn't
this
think it
part.
would be that. I thought it was
You
gonna.
want sushi?
Ahorita agarro más. Con los perros me lo traigo todo.
I am not editing that out. Okay, I want to try this.
Wait, I mean, let's talk about something.
This is from HEB, so
Afelito. Hi, Afelito.
cucumber.
Well, yeah, it's in California, bro.
I forgot about cucumber.
No lo voy a tomar nunca. Oh,
Okay, guys. Here we go.
Let's talk about something.
Oh, it's just.
Let me see if anybody answered questions before George asks us any. Oh wait, I did get questions. Okay, so wait, people are saying what kind of questions.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Anytime.
Dude! She lost her phone right under her. There we go, yesterday. Mama lost her phone right under her phone.
So I have one question, and it says, "Where do you live?"
Oh, I'm not gonna
Oh,
answer
yeah,
that.
that's private.
That's
You already
private.
said it.
Someone else. Hey, this is
Wait,
where?
okay, we live in San Antonio, Texas,
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
close to a church. That's it. There's a lot of churches.
That we go to every Sunday.
Yeah, every Sunday. Okay. Okay. Well, I have a question. What inspired you to do a YouTube channel about makeup? Well, my channel's not really just about makeup. I like to include a little bit of everything, like my family. I'm not a professional at makeup, so that's why I didn't want to consider it just a makeup channel. So, I mean, in my YouTube channel, you'll get like challenges to vlogs, to makeup tutorials, to DIYs, to a little bit of everything. So it's not just specifically a makeup channel. But what inspired me is, I don't know, I was just bored. So
I felt like, yeah, you got it.
actually, no. Shout out to my best friend Bree for pushing me to open a channel.
What other questions do
Who
you
is
have?
that?
Okay, and do you guys have questions?
Nope.
I got one. It says, Kiki, do you love me?
Kiki, do you love me? I do rather. Shut up.
All right, Julian, do you have a question?
No, man.
Or you?
Shout out to Adrian. Shout out to Adrian. This is for you right here. He said, are you crippled? Yes, I'm crippled. I have an injured knee. You're welcome, Adrian.
Ma, ¿nos quieres hacer una pregunta?
Adriancito.
Está mi grandpa. Yo vino que está
Están
cool.
más locas de...
¿Qué huele qué?
I have a story. It's funny when Julia was a kid.
Oh, I have a question. ¿Qué le pasa a Lupita? ¿Qué le pasa a Lupita?
What?
¿Qué es lo que quiere?
What do you mean?
Bailar,
¿Por qué no baila?
porque dice su mamá que no.
Pero dice su mamá que sí. ¿Qué le pasa a Lupita?
Que
I
no.
don't know. She's crazy.
I don't know what the hell we're talking about. You ever heard that song? ¿Qué le pasa a Lupita? No sé. ¿Qué es lo que quiere?
Oh, yeah.
Bailar.
Porque ella no baila.
Su papá.
Que dice su mamá.
Que sí.
Que dice su papá.
Que no.
That's my dad.
Mambo, sí. Sí. Sí.
Yeah. Yeah, how about we do like, we tell
Hold up.
a funny story.
George, question.
Yeah.
So you guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do it like individual or just all together.
Okay. What's the best question to describe you guys?
Crazy.
Why are you guys crazy?
Right?
God made us this way.
No,
You can't question God.
Crazy.
Jackie, how does the food taste?
Not what I expected.
In a good or bad way?
In a bad way.
Medium. Like in a bad way.
So it's not good?
I mean, it doesn't have
It doesn't
flavor.
taste
Like
bad.
a,
What kind of flavor does it have? What flavor does it have?
like a rice flavor.
Rice
I
flavor?
don't know get no rice flavor.
Yeah, like the one that like
Try it.
people make
No.
and it's not.
No, la flavor no
No, like that rice that people make and they don't make it like very cooked and then it tastes weird.
¿De qué?
Arlene, how does it taste?
I like it.
How does it taste?
You know what it tastes like? You know how have you smelled the consomé de pollo? Oh yeah. It smells like that's what it smells like.
But it doesn't taste like that.
Yeah.
Okay, let me repeat my question again. How does it taste?
It kind of has like a chicken flavor, like a chicken taste to it. But
Yeah, it does taste like consomme.
I don't get a chicken flavor, honestly.
I don't even know how to describe it.
I can't describe it.
I honestly don't know how to taste. Like I
You
can't
like
really taste stuff to describe how it tastes.
I mean,
It
it's
tastes
not
like
the
regular
best.
ramen. Okay,
I have like different ones and they're like better than that.
I think if any of you have done the spicy noodle challenge, I think that has a better flavor than this. Even though it's spicy,
But-
but I think it has a better flavor than this for sure. But then again, this is not the original black bean noodles, right?
no, it isn't. It's
It's
like
like-
ganyan.
This is like the bootleg one.
Bullet.
Bullet.
Okay, so
Julian.
let's have a funny story. Like
Did you like the noodles?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can tell.
Que si no era tan entrado.
Isabella, off the phone.
Some questions. I'm writing with.
Oh,
What's the question then? That's your two.
I haven't gotten. All right. Someone say what's an embarrassing story that has happened to you?
Oh,
Jackie, go ahead.
Jackie.
You have the most embarrassing
Take this
moment
bar. Okay, so I was. How about me now?
Yeah, they have to be about you.
No,
They have to be about you. You can't be about you.
you didn't hear the word about me.
All right. We're not gonna interrupt her, okay?
Okay.
FYI, she talks a lot, so don't make your story long, okay?
So I was sleeping and I was like dreaming, I guess, like talking and everything, and I was like saying, "Where's Christmas?" And then I screamed like "Where's Christmas?" And then Arlene like, "They're on your chanclas." And I'm like, "No, where's Christmas?" But then I checked under the bed. Maybe I thought they were the presents. Then I went with my mom crying.
Oh, I got yelled at. And I tried to help her.
You got yelled at?
Yes. I'm like, girl, your chocolates are right there. And then she yelled at me, where the hell is Christmas? And she ran out the room crying. I was like, I'm never helping you again.
Julian, do you have an embarrassing story?
Hey. Hey.
I have
All right, go, Isabel.
Hey,
So-
not me.
Okay, go.
Ladies, go first.
Oh my God.
And
Cut.
cut.
Mommy.
why you gonna interrupt?
For real. Behind the scenes. Before she comes.
Hi, Dad. I'm almost finished. He liked
You
it.
wanna try it?
It's really weird.
Okay, te cantan.
Okay, ahora sí, Julian's gonna tell his embarrassing story, okay? Go, Julian. Well, you said you were gonna do it.
Okay, I have one, but not about.
No, hold on. He's gonna say his.
When I started my first day of school in kindergarten, I didn't want to go to school, right?
Okay.
So my mom went to me to go to the classroom.
You don't have to cry.
Go.
And I started crying.
What happened? Details.
My
The
my
counselor?
counselor
Mm-hmm.
needed to pick me up to take me to the classroom.
Because you were crying? What grade were you in?
Kindergarten.
Okay, it's reasonable.
All right. I cried all the way to 5th grade, the first day of school. I'm just kidding. Go, Isabel.
Okay, so one time, me and we all went to SeaWorld, right?
Oh, it's in SeaWorld?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we went to the shark ride, right? So we went in line, right? And my parents went to go, and Jim and Jackie, they went to go watch one of the shows, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then we didn't have like glasses or phones or anything
Okay.
because we can't go on the ride with them. So then we got off the ride, right? And we went all over the place. We got lost for like an hour.
Like 2 hours.
No, it was like an hour.
That is not embarrassing.
Yes, it is. You're asking me what you did.
Like y'all literally, we went to stores. Could we call
You left them
parents?
without anything.
And we were calling them. No, until it's finally
The day
answered.
he's honest, but 24 that he didn't want to answer the phone.
Literally. We kept calling him. No, I'm not answering.
Alright, did you have an embarrassing story? We're lucky you didn't come out. George, do you have an embarrassing story?
No, I don't have an embarrassing story, but I do have a day that I got scared here in San Antonio, Texas.
Here? Alright, what'd you do? I mean, what happened?
I spent the night at my cousin's house in my aunt's,
What cousin?
and I went to sleep in a room with Julian. He was in his bed, I was in my bed. And I was falling asleep. I kind of drank a couple beers that day.
Kind of.
And I closed my eyes. And I felt like something was looking at me for some reason. And I freaking opened my eyes, and Julian was in front of my face in the dark. I jumped up in the freaking bed. I was like, what the hell are you doing, Julian?
Do you remember that?
Yep. Then in the morning, I farted.
Wait, who farted? You or him? You? Oh man.
There are questions.
Yeah, we're asking
We're
questions.
having Q&A questions to answer. That's fine.
Okay.
Who else has
Wait,
another
how-
I
question?
don't think I have an embarrassing story.
Jimmy, how was it, guys? I'm asking.
It was good. It was alright.
It wasn't bad.
Cheater.
I finished. Look.
That was like 3 years in 8th grade.
So,
I know.
what kind of sushi is that?
California roll.
What, another one?
The same, but this is like a crunchy one.
So
has-
the California roll has what inside?
Crab, cucumber, and avocado. Want to try
Yeah,
it?
can I sit there?
Yes, I do want to try it.
Yeah.
This one has crab
I'll try that
mixed
one.
with spicy mayo, cucumber, and avocado. And then it has some crunchy shit on top.
It's like onions.
¿Qué?
Like fried.
¿Vos te estoy llamando a los trastes?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, I'm gonna edit that out. My embarrassing story right here. He
Oh,
just,
I have a funny story.
he just wanted to come out.
I have a funny story. So, it was Arlene when she was a little
No, I have to
baby.
about you.
No, I can change it.
Dude, since Arlene doesn't have an embarrassing story, if I still have the video, I'm gonna put it on here. Where she
I have
dances
it.
like Shakira.
She cares.
A mí me gusta el piel.
21.
Agarra. No.
Aquí trae la salsita arriba.
21.
No, no sé. Ojalá.
Aquel está más como jugosito. Pero no tiene el pescado.
Even me like noodles are too thin.
Pero
Are you gonna eat it?
No vas a salir.
Dude,
No sabes.
crab, aguacate y pepino.
Ese Junior viene, ya me dijiste que Junior viene y le trae.
Pues van a durar, chiqui.
yo lo vuelvo.
Ya, ese sí me gustó a mí.
Ahora estaba especial porque así
So,
ya.
this just became a family mukbang.
No, mi mamá, yo comí.
Oh, man.
This is weird.
El problema a veces no tienes la falta.
Try it,
si
Junior.
no te gustó.
Try the noodles.
¿Wanna try?
Chécame, güey. No.
Try it.
No.
Está bueno.
Well, I mean, the color is Ay, pero.
Dodgers all the way. Number 1, Dodgers.
Oh, yeah.
Number one,
No,
Yankee.
viene así con la salsa para echarse. ¿Te gustó? Sí, ¿a qué te sabe?
People that go for Yankees don't come below.
She did not just say that.
Yeah.
People who go for the Yankees, comment down below.
Yeah.
I'm so editing that out.
Yeah, you got it.
Comment down below if you go for Dodgers.
¿A qué te sabe? ¿Ves? Casi no sabe, no tiene mucho sabor.
No tiene
Ay,
sabor.
oh, you gotta come back here, Junior. You gotta come over here.
Más le falta como un
The
chile
camera.
para que pique.
No, no sabe, no sabe.
Scoot over.
¿Y esto qué?
Ow, my hair.
¡Ándale!
Ow, my wrist.
Alright. This guy. Alright, for real though. Oh, okay. Take 2.
Take 2.
Alright, so hold up. Alright, so we're gonna get my brother's reaction to see like how he what he thinks. Isabel, hold on.
Choice.
Le falta algo como picoso.
Yeah.
Yo no la he
It doesn't taste like much, huh?
probado por
It's supposed to be a black bean noodles, but black no nada, frijoles.
See, I
But
like
it's alright.
Toque picosito.
Yeah. You know what? I think that's why people eat it with the
Pickled
pickled radish. Yeah.
Ni te hayas escuchado.
Ale, yo también lo
Yeah, you have not finished.
¿Estás segura?
Es lo mismo.
¿En dónde estás?
No, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, come over here so I can finish the video.
I finished already.
No, I know. We're just gonna end the video right here. Alright, guys. So this was our little mukbang video that became a family mukbang video, which is cool.
Yeah.
So what's your overall thought on it?
It could have been way better. I mean, I'll eat it again, but I feel like I add
I have to crave it or
sriracha
something.
yeah, or add something.
They
I
could-
rather eat it. Maybe it was the pickled
I think it's a
radish.
little bit spicy in it. It'll spice.
Because this
Yeah, something.
Yeah.
Oh, they said taste
And
it.
a little better looking. It's too dark.
la
Yeah,
primera
some
cuando
sriracha.
¿te acuerdas que yo me gané?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. We don't have it. We didn't have sriracha.
Esa estaba picosa, no tenía sabor, pero estaba
Ocupa porque
picosa.
todo con colí, con piquín y así algo para que dé sabor así.
Alright, guys. So till next video, we'll see you guys. Ready? Oh, hold on.
Number 1, Dodgers, baby!
Alright, guys. Peace. Oh wait! Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't entered my giveaway, enter it. It ends on August 1st. Bye.